Does driving charge your car battery when you turn the key in your car's ignition? A series of complex processes kick into action. One of the most crucial components in this chain is the car battery. It's responsible for powering the starter motor, ignition system, and other electronics. How the charging process works. Your car's battery is primarily charged by the alternator, a crucial component of the vehicle's electrical system. When you start your car, the battery provides the necessary power to crank the engine. This process consumes a significant amount of energy. Once the engine is running, the alternator generates electricity by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy using a belt-driven system. Battery charging while driving. While driving does recharge your car battery. Several factors influence how effectively this happens. Short trips where the engine is not running long enough may not provide sufficient time for the alternator to fully recharge the battery. The more electrical components you use while driving, e.g. air conditioning, headlights, radio, the more power is drawn from the alternator. The efficiency of your car's alternator plays a crucial role in charging the battery. The age and condition of the battery also determine how well it can hold a charge. Older batteries or those with internal damage may not recharge as effect. Does idling charge the battery? Many drivers wonder if idling, or running the engine while the car is stationary, charges the battery. It's important to recognize the signs of a failing battery or alternator to avoid being stranded. First, dimming headlights or dashboard lights. Second, slow engine crank when starting. Warning light on the dashboard. Third, unusual sounds like a whining or grinding noise from the alternator. Conclusion. Driving does indeed charge your car battery, thanks to the work of the alternator. However, the effectiveness of this charging process depends on several factors, such as how long you drive, the electrical load on the vehicle, and the condition of both the battery and the alternator.